squeeze my brakes. I will pause. I can see the rear of the tires on the ground. Yeah, Don's is a good choice. So let's review. We got 2 French silk pies, $50. We got 2 tropical smoothie, gift cards, which are here. I'm stopped. Got 2 tropical smoothie gift cards, $50. Ulta Beauty, $25. We spent $125. This is why you guys gotta work. Now we have to go to the ATM. Again, you gotta work. So I'm gonna switch screens. Okay, we're in the inside left turn lane. We turn by the double yellow. They're in the outside left turn lane. Gas here in the Midwest where I am is cash $3.13. How much is it where you guys are? How much is gasoline? Type it in for me. Getting a little cold in here. Let's get a little heat. How much is gasoline in your area? It's $3.13. Diesel's $3.53. If I had a Tesla, then I wouldn't have to worry about that. And the only way I'm getting a Tesla or Ford Mach-E if we have the charger installed at the house. Okay, double left turn lane. I'm staying in the inside lane. Go up slow, turn by the double yellow right by this Camaro. And bam, I would have given you a fist pound. At this shopping area over here to the left, my daughter and I go eat sushi. You guys like sushi? Speed controller's nice, I'm good. Taking my time. Squeeze my brakes, slow down early. Well, Jackson, Jay, you should be out asking your mother, hey, can we go for a drive? She should be like, Mom, please? Ask her. Because I'm here in the Midwest, you're down in Mississippi. You say you got your license, your mom, your uncle, someone should be letting you drive. If I drove down there, I'm like, let's go driving. But I'm all the way in the Midwest. So someone in your family should be letting you drive, get around, grip. So we're driving through this regular traffic. Speed limit's 50. We're at about 28. Letting the car shift. See, Jay, if I got you a car, but then that's not gonna help you. You gotta have insurance. You gotta pay to get the title switched over. So it's a good problem to have, but you have to have a car. You gotta have a job. So, but God works in mysterious ways. You never know. So we're at 47, the speed limit's 50, we're cruising. It's taking our time. I should take you guys over to another shopping area just to show you how busy it is. Okay, so we gotta go to the, get money out of the ATM. Okay. And this is, and I'm sticking to the script. Meaning we're not out like going across the country, going across town like, we have to be there at 3 because we late. We're the late members of the family. Always show up late. But they always give us a problem, but if they show up late, it's not a problem. I guess they host it, they can do what they want. So we're at 49 miles an hour, we're chilling, keeping good space, good speed. We're at about 50 right now. And you barely need to press the gas. What am I looking for? Is people using blinkers, people speeding, people on the phone, people not paying attention. Sushi, haha, I feel you. Yeah, I like the California sushi rolls. I've also had those spicy noodles. Boy, girl, they are so good. Okay, I'm deliberately going to make another left turn because Jackson wants me to, and then my blinker's on, because I want to show you how you execute this. So we're going to wait, and I'm going to treat it like you are with me. We're going to wait for our green turning arrow. It's going to make people mad, but don't care, because I want to show you how patient your mom or dad or uncle, auntie have to be. We're going to wait for our green arrow. And there are a lot of accidents at intersections.